Ahead of the arrival of the much anticipated ID.Buzz electric van and the aero-savvy, road trip-ready VW ID.7 hatchback, Volkswagen has set the stage with a wholesome family-ready EV that delivers in nearly every aspect. It's a stage that the brand set years ago. Well before the arrival of the ID.4, early in 2021 for North America, VW touted it as the EV that mainstream shoppers would be able to comprehend and easily see as superior to top sellers like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, or Subaru Forester. In short, I love the way the 2024 VW ID.4 rides, drives, and handles in its intended lens. With a well-equipped, spacious, very smartly laid-out interior, relatively quick charging, and range that holds up in the real world, it's exactly what's needed for those people crossing over into the EV realm for the first time. When the ID.4 originally arrived, VW seemed to forget about how those mainstream crossover drivers were used to relatively simple interfaces. It didn't match that mainstream ethos at all. Relying on haptic, touch sensing, controls below the screen plus a set of haptic buttons and surfaces on the steering wheel, the interface felt like a work in progress, similar to the efforts of an off-brand tablet maker. Now, VW has remade the interface into something that feels conceived by people who actually would drive, use, and charge the vehicle. A new 12.9-inch interface for all but the base ID.4 standard model offers far faster processing power. Climate functions stick to the bottom of the screen, while a tray of shortcut icons at the top get you to key functions quickly. Submenus appear on the left side and open to the right. More screen menus explain the why and what, in tabs taken from Tesla. It all makes a lot more sense.